Hello, this is the Beta Leadership Club slide for overall. Our executive board members are as follows. President Noah P., Vice President Brianna S., Secretary Ava G., Treasurer Haley B. Parliamentarian position is open for those interested. Reporter is Jalen J. Our mission statement: to promote the ideals of academic achievement, character, service, and leadership among elementary and secondary school students. I'm reading over it again because I forgot. I'm curious. They're not. Oh, I mean, a lot of these clubs are new, so there's nobody that has experience to talk about. That's I didn't know about the posters. I could try to present. I don't know. I can go into it after this recording and go through the slides, read about it. Oh, yeah, mod pack. Achievement. No problem. Recognizing and honoring high academic character, preparing young people for life and empowering them. Leadership. Developing the leaders of tomorrow. Service. Demonstrating our motto, let us lead by serving. Our beta leadership summits are, I believe there's just one here. The link, I didn't know. Okay. From October 24th to 25th, 2020, at Great Wolf Lodge, LaGrange. The deadline to register is October 11th, 2022. Registration fees. Our National Beta Leadership Conference. Beta Leadership Conference will be an entirely new experience this year in an exciting location. It is open to all senior beta members, grades 9 through 12. Members grade 9 through 12 will experience conference at Universal Orlando Resort from July 9th to 13th, 2020, in Orlando, Florida. Students will engage in interactive team building activities and leadership training sessions. Attend career breakouts led by Universal Orlando Resort professionals. Go on a behind the scenes tour of Universal Orlando Resort and receive park access to all three Universal Orlando resorts. The registration fee is $949 and it must be paid by May. I'll have to open it separately because it's not in this slide. It is, it's in the campus. Yeah, I've got it up. We gotta pause that. Okay, yeah. There is no GPA requirement, but you have to maintain all A's or B's in order to first get into the club and then stay in the. There's also a monthly requirement service hours, but I don't. Yeah, for NHS there is a requirement. I believe it's 2 points, but beta is just. It's, our national convention is uh, is in 2024 at the Savannah International Convention in Savannah for senior, and that is all. You have to drive yourself, and it doesn't. You don't. Yeah, you have to pay for your gas. Like there's no compensation. But this club is really good on you getting into college, as well as all of the other. Yeah, that can be. You can always we get someone else to take you. I don't know. But yeah, that's all for the beta. Have a great day.